Chicken a la king stands as a classic dish from the 1970s, recognized for its creamy richness and typically served over toast or rice. This dish embodies the comfort food trend that defined the era. Similarly, beef stroganoff is another emblematic recipe featuring tender beef enveloped in a luxurious sour cream sauce, often served over noodles. It underscores the hearty and satisfying nature of meals from the 1970s. In addition, tuna noodle casserole marries egg noodles and tuna in a creamy sauce, exemplifying the comfort food ethos of the decade. Topped with breadcrumbs, it offers a delightful crunch. Transitioning to a different genre, a medley of fruits like pineapples and cherries forms a sweet, wobbly treat, while vegetables introduce an unexpected crunch for the more adventurous. Jell-O salads exemplified culinary creativity during this period. Moreover, the classic pairing of ham and pineapple emerged in the 1970s, celebrated for its sweet and savory harmony, captivating many at dinner parties. This dish serves as a quintessential representation of the culinary style of the era. Shifting focus, salmon patties became a comforting staple at American dinner tables, utilizing canned salmon to craft flavorful meals. Their simplicity and affordability made them ideal for busy weeknights. Preparation of Swedish meatballs involves blending ground beef and pork with breadcrumbs and spices, resulting in a distinctive flavor profile. This mixture is essential for achieving authentic taste. Additionally, a rich gravy made from beef broth, cream, and flour bestows a velvety consistency upon the dish, thereby enhancing the overall dining experience of the meatballs. Traditionally served with buttery egg noodles or creamy mashed potatoes, Swedish meatballs create a hearty meal. Garnished with parsley, they bring a pop of color and freshness to the plate. Moving on, stuffed peppers gain popularity by fusing the sweetness of peppers with savory fillings, frequently topped with cheese, for an inviting finish. Continuing with desserts, pineapple upside-down cake evokes nostalgia, crafted by layering pineapple and cherries in a buttery sugar mixture to create a visually striking treat. Meanwhile, deviled eggs remain a classic appetizer, highlighted by a creamy yolk filling, often enriched with pickles or herbs for enhanced flavor and visual appeal. Creating baked Alaska involves meticulous assembly, shaping ice cream into a mountain atop the cake. This attention to detail results in an appealing visual presentation. Once assembled, the dessert undergoes brief baking to achieve a golden brown meringue while preserving the coldness of the ice cream inside. This contrast of temperatures is a defining characteristic of the dish. The nostalgic charm of traditional dishes, like liver and onions, underscores how these meals evoke warm memories of family dinners and comforting home-cooked experiences. Such recipes hold a unique place in culinary history. Furthermore, meatloaf often integrates additional ingredients like diced onions and bell peppers, enhancing both flavor and texture. This flexibility encourages personal creativity in crafting the dish. An excellent accompaniment to meatloaf is the Waldorf salad, providing a refreshing counterbalance with its crisp fruits and crunchy vegetables. The interplay of flavors enriches the overall meal experience. Lastly, Salisbury steak features seasoned ground beef patties served in savory gravy, solidifying its status as a beloved dish alongside meatloaf in many family kitchens.